So you can see and you can you can choose the depth and everything and then set save as. So you can always look in the lens here as well, or you can look it by yourself. Like there. Camera can be moved around.这个的话可以选，直接可以选1、0.1这些，还是这边你可以选？
这边都可以选。
这边你可以选就是固定的0.5、0.1。
对对，固定距离。
Okay, you can also choose here, like if you want to set 1, 0.5, 0.1, or you can also use the jogger to set all these things. And now you can see it's already on the chip here. Then you can save it as well. Okay. 然后速度也可以选吗？还是速度 and you can put the speed as well. Here you can choose it. Then rough, how many times finish, 0.3. So it's all here in the settings panel here. You'll have a instructions manual as well for this one. Okay, 继续. Then you can save as per your name. You can save as, just put a number or a name or whatsoever you can. So BBCPU, save as, and it's done. Okay, 然后远一点点，然后怎么用？就选好了，
选好保存之后就可以开了。
开的。
有一些可能没有的话，你可以自己去设定这个东西。
哦，自己设计就是自己 design 的意思。
对 ，design 的，它是你可以设定这个打磨的深度、次数。
Okay, you can choose the depth and everything. So there are some diagrams already added in the system, which can be seen here. And then you can also set by yourself as well, like using the depth and everything. You can program it by yourself. Okay, so it's all system integrated already.
Okay.
So settings, language, English. They have some more options here for Wi-Fi. Update, it has a serial number. And then you come to this section, the chip. So all these options are around. He can, okay.
这是打磨后的效果，再来看一下。先不用对焦了吧，直接打。啊？直接打。你看这别是9个，
started. Third one, third layer.
打磨完成，开始取料。这边是没有打到还是打过了？还没有打到，那可能要重新打。重新对刀，对一下刀才能转吧。对一下刀才能开启吗？啊，行。